Students, now we will learn about the subtraction with borrowing. Subtraction means the difference. Subtraction means the difference. It signed like this. It is called minus. Today we will learn about the subtraction with borrowing. Here a problem is given. Subtract 2738 from 6291. Here in one's room, the upper number is 1 and the lower number is 8. Means subtract 8 from 1. But we know we cannot subtract 8 from 1. So we will borrow 1 from 9. Now it will make 11. 11. Borrow 1 from 9. It comes because 1 taken from 9. So that in tens room, now the upper number is not 9. It will be 8. It will be 8. Now minus 8 from 11. Count. After 8, 9, 10, 11. 3. Right? 3. Now subtract 3 from 8, not from 9. Count from 3 to 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5. Then again we cannot subtract 7 from 2. So we will borrow 1 from 6. It will be 12. Now it will be 12. We borrowed 1 from 6. So the 6 already 1 taken from 6 and now it will be 5. Subtract 7 from 12. 7. Count 7 to 12. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 5. Subtract 2 from 5, not from 6. Count 2 to 5. 3, 4, 5. 3. So the result is 3553. Okay children. Now the another problem is given. You solve it yourself. Thank you. Now we will learn how to expand the number. Here a number is already written. That is a 5-digit number. 41273. That means 41,273. We should expand this number. Expanded form means writing the place value of the different digit of the number and then add them. Okay. If I need to expand this number, I need to find out the place value of this number. Like this number 41,273. Here the 4 is placed in 10,000s room. The place value of 4 is 10,000. So you write 4 first and multiply with 10,000. Then give a plus sign. Means 4 into 10,000. Then give the plus sign and write 1, which is in thousands place. Write 1 into 1,000 because it is in thousands place. Then give plus sign again. Write 2 into 100 because 2 is in hundreds place. 2 into 100 plus 7 into 10 because next number 7 is in tens place, plus 3. 3 is the last number of this 5-digit number. Its place value is 1. So in next line we can write this way. 40,000 4 into 10,000 means 40,000 plus 1 into 1,000 means 1,000 plus 2 into 100 200 plus 7 into 10 70 plus 3. I have to add this number to get the main number. Okay, and this is the expanded form of the main number 40,000 plus 1,000 plus 200 plus 70 plus 3. Now here some other numbers are given. Solve these